Okay, good morning, learners!
Good morning, Mom.
Okay, I am teacher Bea, and today we will talk about another topic, which is the sculpting methods. So, sculptors use four basic sculpting methods, which is the carving, casting, modeling, and assembling. But let's go first with the carving. Please read.
Carving is cutting or chipping shape from a mass. It is a subtractive procedure.
Okay. Carving is a sculptural technique that involves using tools to remove material from a solid material to create a form. It is a subtractive procedure, meaning that the artist systematically removes material from the outside in. So I know we're all familiar here with the carving methods, right?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, moni ka na mag-ukit-ukita. Magamit ka ng materials or objects gamiton sa pag-ukit sa mga solid material. For example, magamit og stone or wood sa material in carving mo na itong gamiton nga ukit tanan sa atong himuon nga sculptures. And also, carving, it is the oldest methods used for three-dimensional work. So, example sculpture and carving is the Parthenon frieze by Phidias. So, sa ganini?
Parthenon frieze, Mom.
Okay, very good. It is the high relief Pentelic marble sculpture created to adorn the upper part of the Parthenon. Now, am I clear?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, very good. So, let's move to the next methods, which is the
Casting.
Okay, please read.
A melted down metal or liquid substance is poured into mold to harden.
Okay, casting. So, magamit ang mga material nga ma-melt. For example nga mga material is the gold, mga silver, or even bronze. Pwede kaayo nga mahimong melt to form mga shape, or anything nga ma-form ninyo sa inyong sculpture nga himuon in casting method. So, example sculpture in casting method is the Gates of Hell. Unsa ganini?
The Gates of Hell, Mom.
Okay, The Gates of Hell by Auguste Rodin. So, this sculpture is a monumental bronze sculptural group work by French artist that depicts a scene from the Inferno. It is the first section of Dante Alighieri's Divine Comedy. Am I clear?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, very good. So, let's move to the next method, which is the
Modeling, Mom,
Okay, please read.
is an additive process. A soft or workable material is built up and shaped.
Okay, is an additive process kuno ang modeling, meaning that materials is added to create the form. So, and also modeling, it allows for correction and changes to the material. Kaya nga naman, because magamit ka ng mga material nga mga soft, mga humo. For example, is clay. Example, clay material man ay magamit nato in modeling. It allows correction or changes kay humok magud ang clay. For example, mag-sculpt ka it through the clay. For example, na kay mga ideas nga mga change in kanang while nag-sculpture ka, nag-sculpting ka sa clay. So, ma-change siya to nimo dayon kay humok naman to. Pila ra bay pagingani-ngani nimo sa clay. Dali ra kaayo. So, the example sculpture in modeling method is the Terracotta Army in China. One example sa modeling methods. So this sculpture, it consists of thousands life-size clay soldiers, horses, and chariots buried near in the tomb of China's first emperor, who is the Qin Shi Huang. Muna pa nga silang emperor nga namatay na. So, naba mo idea nga nung dinhi sculpt nila ning kaning Terracotta Army?
No,
Ganun,
ma'am.
ay wala. Nganong ang reason nganong dinhi na nila sculpt sa kilid jud sa lubganan sa ilahang kanang emperor sa una is kuan kuno kay to protect kuno sa ilahang emperor sa afterlife, para kuno protektahan tong ilang emperor nga namatay sa afterlife. Muning nagkuan sila ni nag-sculpt sila diri, mo the reason. So the last method nga sa sculpting is the
Assembly.
Nakuha naman ka tong 3 methods nga tong na-discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so proceed. Please read.
Is gathering and joining different kinds of materials.
So, assembling. It is a 3D art technique that involves creating a sculpture by combining found objects in an unconventional way. Kining assembling kay mura rin siya collage. Ang kalahian lang, ang collage is a kanang 2-dimensional, while the assembling is 3-dimensional objects. Pero pareha nagapon jud siya kanang any objects nga imuhang makit-an sa imuhang kanang palibot baron, kanang imuhang tapukon to form another objects. Kanang through atong mga objects nga imuhang na kolekta. So example sculpture and assembling is the Still Life 1914. Kining Still Life 1914 by Pablo Picasso. It is made from scraps of wood and a length of tablecloth fringing and glued together. Kung nakabantay mo, di ba, kahoy man siya. Kanya kani is kanang tablecloth nga murag nakahanging. Di ba? Line siya nga object pero naka-form siya gingani. Naka-form siya isa ka object pero daghan na siya nga object ba? Daghan na siya nga object nga gi-combine to form another object. By Pablo Picasso. Naka-remember mo ni Pablo Picasso sa Cubism?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, that's all for our topic today. For basic methods in sculpting. Unsa ganito?
Carving,
Casting, modeling, and
assembling.
assembling. Very good. So, study sa atong discuss karon kay tomorrow we will having a quiz. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so goodbye learners.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Bea.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.